Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Patil and this is the Konkan Gyanpith's Global Pharma News Bulletin, your one-stop destination to top stories of the pharma. United Kingdom approves Johnson & Johnson's one-dose COVID-19 vaccine. The UK's Medicine and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency has authorized Johnson & Johnson's single-dose COVID-19 vaccine on 28th May 2021. The MHRA has announced that the vaccine meets the expected standards of safety, quality, and effectiveness, with the Independent Commission on Human Medicines having also reviewed this decision and endorsed it. The results also showed that the vaccine was 85% effective in preventing severe disease across all regions studied and also demonstrated protection against COVID-19 related hospitalization and death 28 days after the vaccination. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine can be stored at standard refrigerator temperature between 2 degrees Celsius and 8 degrees Celsius, which make it ideal for distribution to care home and other locations, the Department of Health and Social Care said in a statement. The Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine has also been approved by the European Medicine Agency as well as the Food and Drug Administration and the World Health Organization. The Moderna's vaccine highly effective at preventing COVID-19 in adolescents. Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine has hit the primary endpoint in a phase 2 and phase 3 study in adolescents with no cases of the disease observed in participants who had received 2 doses of the vaccine. The Teen Cove study enrolled more than 37,000 participants aged 12 years to less than 18 years in the US. Most adverse events were mild to moderate, with the most common adverse events being injection site pain, headache, fatigue, myalgia, and chills. According to Moderna, the study met its primary endpoint of non-inferior immunogenicity versus phase 3 study adults comparator group. Moderna added that all participants in the Teen Cove study will be monitored for 12 months after their second dose to assess long-term protection and safety. IIT Hyderabad is ready for tech transfer of oral drug to treat black fungus. Researchers at Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad have developed an oral solution to treat black fungus, mucormycosis, and the other fungus, which are ready to transfer the technology to take it forward, the institute said. A 60 mg tablet, which can be priced at about Rs 200, is patient friendly as its slow and sustained release in the body reduces nephrotoxicity. Professor Saptarshi Majumdar and Dr. Chandra Shekhar Sharma from the Department of Chemical Engineering have made a proven study about the oral nanofibrous AMB to be effective for Kala Azar, that is visceral leishmaniasis. At present, the Kala Azar treatment is being used as the treatment for black and other fungus in the country, and its availability and affordability make it need to allow emergency and immediate trial of this oral drug, IIT Hyderabad said. Roche's antibody cocktail launched in India at Rs 59,750 per patient, Cipla to market it. The Central Drug Standard Control Organization had recently provided an emergency use authorization for the antibody cocktail Casirivimab and Imidivimab in India. It has also received the emergency use authorization in the US and several European Union countries. The antibody cocktail is to be administered for the treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 in adults and pediatric patients of up to 12 years of age or older weighing at least 40 kg, who are confirmed to be infected with SARS-CoV-2 and who are at high risk of developing severe COVID-19 disease and do not require oxygen. For more such videos and updates of pharma, please subscribe to Konkan Gyanpith YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter.